around 2014, we found a need to try to build a better mousetrap with flight training, providing services, aircraft sales and support, contracted logistical support, maintenance, repair and overhaul, and flight training. First, we were working with an MD helicopter, selling MD helicopters, here and abroad. We kind of grew it from there. So we had success there, and then we moved it out. We moved MD helicopters into Hungary, and then Slovakia, and then it was an organic growth. IDAG with the partner companies had a concept for a military flight training center of excellence, and we picked Košice, Slovakia for several reasons. One, the presence of Heli Company here, and the investment of European Air Services in Heli Company, and also in IDAG investment here. And we found that the terrain around here was conducive to all types of training. So if you're based in Central Europe, it's ideal. We've got mountains, we've got valleys, we've got water, we've got heat, we've got cold. The training environment here is conducive to training anywhere in the world. So even if you're training in the desert, or if you're fighting in the desert, the training here, we've got high altitude, we've got high density altitude, we've got heat in the summer. So we can train, fight like you train like you fight, and that's what we do. I think everybody in the cadre, from management all the way through the instructor corps, has, there's probably collectively over 500 years of combat helicopter experience, whether it be flying or maintaining. We'll have 4 UH-60s here, and then we have 2 coming in the beginning of next year, so we'll have 6 operating, and then we'll have 2 maintenance training birds. So all in, we'll have 8 aircraft in country. The aircraft that we procured, the 530 F model that we got, has got the identical cockpit to the aircraft being offered around the world by MD at the Cayuse Warrior. It's the same aircraft, the same cockpit as the Cayuse Warrior, without the weapons management systems, obviously. So it's state-of-the-art. It's the first one of its kind, commercially available. What we did is we spec'd the aircraft out, so the cockpit was the same, the seats are the same, the collective and cyclic heads are the same. It's got the same form, fit, and function as a military aircraft. It's just much prettier.
I'm the UH-60 Aircraft Qualification Training Program Manager / Chief Flight Instructor. It's a 12-week course, about 48 hours. I want to say it's 15 hours in the sim, and the rest are in the aircraft. It's a basic course. We teach what we call basic maneuvers. It's bottom line how to start off the aircraft. That's a good majority. Well, it's about 50% of this course is learning how to start that aircraft. When they go back, they cannot spend 1 hour starting up that aircraft. And then we teach basic maneuvers: how to ground taxi, how to hover, how to do VMC takeoff, VMC flight maneuvers, as well as emergency procedure training. We do a lot of that, and we teach a little bit of instrument recovery procedures as well.